Hey everybody, it's Matty B here, and this week's video is a follow-on from last week's video when we made the urban terrain base. We're just going to make that little extra piece. It's going to be a quick video, very easy to make, very easy to paint. So yeah, let's begin. Well, you'll never guess that this video is starting with old sprue. I know, you're all shocked. So yeah, pretty much cut your sprue, get some nice long lengths. Now, you can make these any size. You can make them a lot wider than I have, so there's like a whole wall all connected. For this one, I've literally just done it so it's roughly waist height on the Kriegsman. But like I say, you decide how you want it. So just like we did with the crystal base, all we're going to do is cut each of the ends into a point. And you're going to need 4 pieces of roughly the same length to make this. Now you can do it in a row for a bigger project, so 8 or 9, 10 or 11, and it will actually be a complete wall in front of your armaments, for example, what would look really cool. But for this one, I'm just doing 4, just so you can see. Now, if you do use this, please, and you do post on Instagram, please tag me in it. I would love to see it. So all you need to do, as you can see in the video, is just do like a crisscross shape. Do the exact same with the other pair and stick those two together. And that is it. The piece is built. So we're going to skip to the important part, the painting. Okay, so confession here, for some reason I didn't record painting it. But what you need to do is do 2 parts somber grey to 1 part black. And using your dry brush, make it quite watery and then just stipple it all over. And that is how you'll get the effect that's in the picture. Okay, so now you've got the base coat done. What you want to do is take warm brown from Pro Acryl and then just tab it to all where the joints are. Make it look like it's sort of run down the bottom ones as well. On the tips, wherever the rust would be the most. Now you can make this as rusty as you like, or as clean as you like. It's totally up to you. I do like the rust look for this. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take burnt orange from Pro Acryl, and you're going to use that to cover about 50% of where you've just painted the warm brown. But on this occasion, just mainly work at the joints. Obviously have a little bit running down. What would look good is if you just water it down ever so slightly. Then it would almost look like it's trickling down from constant being stuck in the rain all the time. Right, so what I'm doing here is I'm actually using just pure orange now. And I'm just literally just tapping a few spaces, mainly in the joints, to really sort of bring out that rusty area. And there you go, we're like 90% of the way through making this. Right, so the last thing I'm going to add to this is I'm going to use Elf Blood from TT Combat. And I'm just going to do it just the tips. Now it looks quite bright at the moment, but that will darken down when it dries. So it just looks like there has been blood on there at some point, because you know what the Traitor Legion are like. They just charge in, don't care, because you're all crazy on Nurgle's gases and stuff. So that's it. The only thing that's left really is for the grand reveal. And there you go. Very, very easy to make, but just add something that a little bit extra to your base. Looks like it's more fortified. It's been going on for years, because most of these walls go on for years and years and years. yes, please leave a comment if you liked it. If you are going to use it on your terrain and you put it on Instagram, please tag me because I'd like to see it. Miniatures, if you go into a link, Athena Games, there's a 5% discount for new people. They're brilliant. They're my local store. Love them. So go and check it out. Obviously, they're already discounted from GW prices. But yeah, like, subscribe, all the other way around, however I do it. And I'll see you the following week. Bye.